Now let's move on to the Senate race. One thing's clear, you are answering the Vice President that you prefer that Maurilio files a case in court. Doon na kayo magsagutan, no? Mas gusto niyo po yun?
Well, yun ay payo kasi ni VP Duterte kay Michael Maurilio. Ang sabi ko lang, I have no objection to that. Pero kapag may affidavit na in-execute si Michael Maurilio na puno na naman, tulad ng videos niya, ng kasinungalingan laban sa akin, laban sa ibang mga witnesses, at laban sa Senado, he would be additionally open to a charge of perjury bukod sa cyber libel na inihain ko na sa kanya kahapon. And in any forum, Karen, the truth can stand up for itself. At hanggang ngayon, pinaninindigan ko yung katotohanang inilabas namin, pati sa pamamagitan ni Michael Maurilio noon at ng mga 13 pang ibang mga witnesses. So he's not the only, not even the star witness. But I stand by yung mga findings at recommendations ng aming committee report, draft committee report, dun sa investigasyon namin laban kay Apollo Kibuloy at sa KOJC.
Okay, my last on this issue is, do you believe that these are moves to silence you? A story was brought out, it was decoded, and the time that he came out with his supposed recantation is it got on that same day, right, on social media, carried by several vloggers that support Duterte. In other words, using the same produced video, using the same story, saying, ayan, huminto ka na, Senator Ontiveros, tapos ka na, etc. You are the boldest. At this point, they would describe the bravest when it comes to criticizing, investigating the Duterte administration.
Kahit ituloy nila, and I believe itutuloy nila ito, Karen, and marami nakapansin, massive yung attacks na ito online mula sa maraming vloggers, maraming sources inside and outside the country. Talagang kinalat immediately itong video na ito, itong content nila na pinroduce kay Michael Maurilio. Pero alam naman natin yung katotohanang sinabi nung mga victim survivors na yon, tungkol sa dinanas nila sa kamay ni Apollo Kibuloy at ng KOJC. Tumulong yung iba't ibang tao at grupo sa loob at sa labas ng Senado para masabi nila ang katotohanan ito. Tumulong ang Senado para bigyan sila ng safe space na maghanap ng hustisya. Yang lahat ng iyan, kahit ituloy pa at palakihin pa ng mga kaaway ng katotohanan, di nila mapapatahimik yung mga true stories ng mga taong ito. And I'm proud that the Senate will continue to stand by them.